Hey everybody, welcome to Performance Unlimited. We just got done running a 347 small block Ford. This happens to be a 400 horsepower combination. This particular engine features the double sump or rear sump style oil pan going in a 67 Mustang. This also features the 4-bolt style balancer, which the early cars had. Also has a driver's side outlet water pump. This is what the customer requested for his particular application. But we can custom design the engine to fit any kind of an application. We build, thousands of engines. We've got years and years of experience with combinations as far as dynoing engines. We know what works for the particular needs of the customer. This particular engine is a little bit of a torque monster. It doesn't quite make the top end horsepower, but that's what the customer wanted. It's still a very nice build with eagle rotating assembly, custom ground hydraulic roller camshaft, Edelbrock heads and intake, Edelbrock carburetor, MSD billet distributor, Taylor spark plug wires, very high quality wire, available in a choice of many colors. This customer happened to have the block painted black with the black matching wires. Looks pretty slick. Of course, it does come with a chrome oil pan and chrome valve covers. If you're interested in an engine combination like this, and remember, we can take any combination that you see on a website and custom design it, redesign it, whatever you want to call it, for your particular application. We can up the horsepower, we can up the torque if it's an off-road vehicle. We are the experts. Give us a call, visit our website at Custom Crane Engines by PerformanceUnlimited.com, or give us a call at 800-267-3940. Thank you.
Welcome to Performance Unlimited here in Melbourne, Florida. Today for you we got a Ford 347 on the dyno, rated at 400 horsepower, going into a 67 Mustang. I'll fire this up for you.